Hi everyone! We just went to our local box lunch store because it was lunch money time, so we had to give them all of our lunch money. We had about $60 worth of lunch money. They were $15 each, so for each $15 lunch money, we would spend $30 and get $15 off. So we spent $120 total and got $60 off, so our total was $60. My first item that I got was this cute little shirt of Mickey Mouse, and it says Mickey's Pumpkin Spice Latte. Cute picture of Mickey Mouse. Nice fall colors. It's got the Mickey pumpkin and he's sitting up there. It almost looks like a cupcake, which I love. And I love pumpkin spice. Always made fresh. Original price was $28.90 and we paid $13.34. Thank you. Next item we got was, can you guess? It's a mug. It's cute, cute little baby Yoda mug. Or the child, whatever you like to call him. Original price was $16.90. Price we paid was $7.79. And now for the best deal from our lunch money. Any guesses what it could be themed to? Okay, I'll tell you. It's another Loungefly. I did it. This is Loungefly number 2. Super, super cute. Carl and Ellie. They're just adorable. So this bag went along with the release of this Funko. It's kind of an off-white cream color, and I'm calling this purple because I don't like pink. It's got Carl and Ellie on the front. This is the scene when they were painting their mailbox. The zipper on the smaller pocket is a mailbox flag. How adorable is that? Open it up, still got all the wrappings in it. So the front inside is actually just the continuation of this picture, and the front inside of this is the balloons and the grape soda pen. That balloon pattern, yeah, is what's inside the whole bag. I'm looking for the zipper pockets that's in here. Hold on. Let me get it unwrapped. They put lots of wrapping paper in this so they won't lose their shape before you get it home. There's not a zipper inside anywhere on this one. There is a side pocket on either side and then the front pocket, but there's no extra zippy on the inside. It's got nice padded straps though. Your typical Loungefly hardware, the Loungefly logo on the zippers, and your Loungefly metal plaque on the side. This one says Pixar and Loungefly. And also on the back, you've got Carl and Ellie's initials. Oh, their little hearts, they're so cute. They're just adorable. You gotta love Carl and Ellie. So the original price on the Loungefly bag was $74.90. The price we paid after using our lunch money was $34.57. Much better price. This was our most recent box lunch haul because we had to spend our lunch money. Do you shop at Box Lunch and collect the lunch money as you go? I think we already have more lunch money for January. This could be a good or bad thing, who knows. This helped me get my second Loungefly backpack. Do you think I will get more in January? Is it becoming an addiction? Are you addicted to Loungefly? Let me know in the comments. I would love to see other people's collections. If you have a video, drop a link for it in the comments below. Until next time, no capes.